One of the questions that comes up a lot that I hear, but I know that this is the hardest part for most people, is what do I do if I'm living in a moldy environment and I can't get out yet, but I want to start taking the necessary measures to take care of my health and start removing some of it from my body? First and foremost, I've said this so many times, is you cannot heal in the same environment that made you sick. So it doesn't matter what supplements or binders or protocols or doctors you see, you're never going to get better until you truly get out of the environment. Number one, the best thing you can do is try to keep yourself contained in a part of your home that you know isn't actively exposed. Now, mycotoxins are airborne, so you don't see them, you don't smell them. But for example, if you know your basement is full of mold spores, do your best to close off and seal off that section of the house that you know has contaminated mold. And then try to stay in the other parts of the house that you know are not contaminated with it. The other thing you can do is I get asked a lot about HEPA air filters, if this is helpful. So HEPA air filters for sure can be helpful. You have to make sure that you have one specifically that has activated carbon technology. That's going to help with the mycotoxins and not just the spores. It's like zero point 0.3 microns that the filter has to work for. And some of the good companies, I have no affiliation with them, but from doing this for a while and working with a lot of clients that are doing a really good job in this are places like IntelliPure, Austin Air, where it's specific to the size of the mycotoxin. So air purifiers are great, especially in the areas that you're spending the most time in. The other thing you're going to want to take into consideration is making sure you're keeping your nasal passages clean. So if you're in the environment, you can't really move out yet, but you know there's mold, the other thing you can do is just use something to rinse the sinuses out every day. You are inhaling these mycotoxins and you're also absorbing them in your skin. Keeping those sinuses nice and clear is going to help a ton. Now, if you're unsure if mold is at the root of what's driving your symptoms, in the description of this video, I have the at-home mycotoxin urine test, which is the first test I start with clients who have ongoing chronic health issues that they can't get to the root of, to find out if mold is actually at the root of it, which right now we're finding in this functional integrative health space that there's almost 80% of cases that are ongoing chronic health problems that trace all the way back to mold toxicity. So the test to do that at home is in the link in the description of this video. If you already know that you're dealing with mold, you've seen specialist after specialist, doctor after doctor, and nobody's really helping you take care of this, then your next step would be to book a one-on-one call with me where we will do a deep, comprehensive dive of your health history, everything that's been going on, and come up with a personalized protocol. I have been through mold toxicity. I have healed through mold toxicity. I have helped hundreds of other people do the exact same thing, and I would love to help you. I know it's a super complicated thing and it gets very frustrating when most doctors don't understand it, which is why I chose to specialize in this to help more people. If you would like to work with me in that, all the links to do so are in the description of this video. Be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know if you have a specific question about your situation, and I'll see you in the other videos.